Hi everyone. Today we will make two typography effects. Number 1, wrap text effect around subject. And number 2, masking portrait text effect. So let's start it. Number 1, we make wrap text effect around subject. First of all, insert your image in Photoshop. After adjusting your image, press Enter. Then go to Select option and click on Subject. Again go to Select option, Modify and click on Expand. Keep these settings and hit OK. After adjust your selection, go to Select, Modify and now this time click on Smooth. Keep these settings and hit OK. Now select rectangular marquee tool and then right-click on Selection and click on Make Work Path option. Keep these settings and hit OK. Now select Type tool and click on the path and then right. And now it's done. Now we will go to our second effect, that is masking portrait text effect. So let's start it. First, insert your image and adjust it with canvas size and press Enter. Now select Type tool and make Type Path. Then type anything that you want and fill the selection. After doing this, now press Ctrl or Command and click on text layer as you see in video. Now select image layer and press Ctrl or Command J. Disable the text and image layer. Make solid color layer and select the color that you want. And now it's done. Follow and subscribe my channel for watching more videos and tutorials. Thank you.